I'm not encouraging people to go out there and feed Alka-Seltzers to seagulls and all, but if you've done it before. Today, RB5K, the club, every single Sunday. Shade Tree Surgeon. Dude, it's been so long, buddy.
Hell yeah.
We're in Columbus, Ohio for AIM Expo 2019. We're gonna go eat some Amish food. We're going to Plain City, a place called Dutchman.
Where you going, dude?
It's about 25 minutes away. Let's eat. Oh yeah, and it's hangover day. Dutchman. Yeah, that's the spot. Oh man. Hung over. Today I'm riding a 2018 GSX R750. I don't like it as much as my 2008 shitbox. Oh shit. Sorry. And after we eat at this Amish place that I don't know anything about, we go eat custard. Both places, by the way, are subscriber recommendations, so thank you. Amish food. I don't think I've ever had Amish food. I imagine but like mashed potatoes and corn and vegetables, just like farm food, right? I don't know, we'll have to see. So the only thing I know about this place is that it's family owned, it's Amish, and the people that own it own a bunch of other shit. And something about 1969, yeah. The subscriber, when he mentioned this place, he said to go for breakfast, but yeah, forget it. There's no way. We're out way too late drinking, but not him. He got so drunk that LUIMOTO had to put him in a car, take him back to his hotel room. He was asleep by 10:30, I think. The rest of us, I don't know. I don't even know what time we got home. I don't remember how we got home. Yesterday for lunch, went to Bob Evans. So good. If you guys are watching this and you're rich, you know someone's rich, likes Bob Evans, please open one up in Southern California near me. Bob Evans, so good. I'd even stop hitting Boston Market. Oh shit, Google Maps just told me there's a speed trap. And there he is. Every single Sunday. RBK, my man. And we got Shade Tree. I love that guy. Speaking of Shade Tree, we're gonna be together again pretty soon. I'm coming out to the Florida Motovlog meetup in November. That's gonna be awesome. I'm coming out a day or two early. I think Shade Tree and I are gonna go ride some dirt bikes. But regarding the Florida meetup, yeah, I'm gonna have a bunch of stickers. I don't know yet if I'm gonna bring like a whole pop-up tent, but I'm definitely gonna bring a ton of stickers to give out, and I'll have information on that on my website. Yeah, Blockhead, Shade Tree, a few others are all putting it together. It's gonna be big. I'm hungover now. It's gonna be a boring ass video. Green Acres is the place to be. Amish. I used to watch Amish Mafia. I don't know if what I just did was illegal or not, but I did it. 500 feet, turn right. Dude, this place is in the sticks. Oh shit. In a quarter-mile, turn right. Give me a name, dude. Give me a road name. All GPS is saying in a quarter-mile, turn right. I don't know what a quarter-mile is. It's like a guess. Oh, it's right there, dude. It's on the corner. I'm so stupid. There it is.
Dude, do Amish people drink or what, man? I thought they couldn't have electricity. I've been lied to, man. Everything I know about Amish people I learned from Kingpin, though, so...
Kingpin?
Yeah.
I was watching Amish Mafia. They drive Cadillacs and shit. Shoot guns.
Oh, I never saw that one.
Oh, you gotta watch Amish Mafia.
All about that. Do they drink beer?
Dutchman, 1969. This place is good. Everybody liked their food. All right, let's go over there, get some fuel for tomorrow. I think we're gonna skip the custard place. We're running out on time. Gas, $2.64. Are you kidding me? Buy barrels of the shit. Thanks, sir. Just gonna use your restroom real quick. I need to drink more water. I was. Where is it?
Come on, dude, it's far. It's like really far, like down the street. I don't even know how it got all the way over there. I'm doing some of that on the back of the
I see it.
Alright, dude, there it is.
Thank you, sir. I get better signal in the country than I do in my own house in California. Stupid. For those of you guys that are wondering, yeah, I'm filming all kinds. This video is going to be kind of like my normal format, but make sure you watch my other AIM Expo video from this weekend, because I included a lot of crazy shit. A lot of bar stuff, drinking stuff, hooliganisms. Yeah. Before we got on the bikes after the restaurant, we were having a weird conversation. Somehow, feeding an Alka-Seltzer to a seagull came up, and it was said that they can't like digest it or whatever, and their stomachs kind of explode and they fall out of the sky. Has anybody done that? Is there any truth to that? Shade thinks it's bullshit, but RBK is like, nah, it's true. I'm not encouraging people to go out there and feed Alka-Seltzers to seagulls and all, but if you've done it before, let me know what happened. I don't think there's a texting and driving law out here. Every time I look inside of a car, people have their phone in their hand. I like Columbus skyline. It's cool, huh? All right, dude. Huge shout out to all the patrons of the channel. You know who you are, man. Love and respect. Make sure you follow all these fine lads. I'll have links in the description of the video to all of them. All really good channels.
They were losing their minds over us doing that.
They didn't like that, did they? If you aren't aware yet, I do have a second channel. It's all dirt bike stuff. You'll see a lot of the same people on that channel on this channel, or vice versa, whatever it is. Please support the channel partners: Voss Helmets, the law offices of Henry Haddad, LUIMOTO, and Chaparral. All good companies. All right, I'll catch you later. What's up, man? You're working. How you doing? Nice to meet you.
And I was like, I hope I catch y'all, but you said tomorrow and the next day, so I was
Yeah, dude, we're just...
And I saw the jacket, and we walked in, I said, no f***ing way, pew.
Shade tree.
Yeah.
What's happening, y'all? Josh, good to meet you.
Josh, how you doing, man?
Nice to meet you, man.